guys, it's your girl LATEEYAH here. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am doing a review on the Puma COOGI slides. So there are two pairs. There's one with a white bottom, one with a black bottom. So I wanted to unbox them with you guys now, just to do a review of overall the box. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. And these are like new school meets old school. So COOGI's coming back and Puma's always been in. So best of both worlds. Now for the sandals, these are the black ones. Oh, look at this. Puma has their little, or COOGI, Puma and COOGI collabo. They have the sandals wrapped. Look at that. Wow. These are cool. Ooh, they look extra comfy. Look at that space or indent for your feet to go. And any other sandals I have that has that there are like extremely comfortable. So I feel that these will be too. Plus they're just super cool. It's like a sweater here. Oh. For the second pair, the ones with the white bottom have the same wrapping. And I'm like not a person to keep boxes, but I think I want to keep these boxes because they're so pretty. These are nice too. Look at these. So these are the white ones. These retail for $80. You can get them at Amazon.com, COOGI.com, Urban Outfitters. So yeah, or you can just type them into Google, Puma meets COOGI, Puma sandals. These are absolutely gorgeous. I will use them in my traveling, so airports, or when it's summer again, but I'm in Wisconsin, so it's winter right now. And just to lounge around the house with. But I know these are limited because sometimes these companies make certain things and you won't see them again. So I just had to get them. I think they're cute. I think they're gorgeous. I like the fact that it's kind of throwback meets new school, and they're gorgeous. I just couldn't resist. So I couldn't decide which pair I wanted, so I got both. I will try to get like a sweater, like a sweater dress or something to match. And yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. So you can see it has Puma here. It has Puma here. See that? And then it has the sweater material here. And then these are the bottoms. And then I showed you the indent here. And the same on the black bottoms. Puma sign here. Puma here. Sweater-like material. The bottoms. Pretty cool. I'm happy I got these. So these are the sandals. Sorry for the socks. My feet are not done, so you guys are not going to catch me slipping. But the sandals will fit a little bit better without the socks, and then over time they'll stretch a little bit. But these are extremely comfortable, extremely cute sandals. You should get a pair. I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.